Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamer's latest unboxing. Well, it says from MagicEagle, so I'm assuming this is a trail camera. So let's take a look and see what we got. If it is a trail camera, I'm excited about that opportunity. And because this summer we had the unfortunate loss of about 6 chicks that I'm not sure exactly what got to them, but it had to be something small, like, I don't know, a fox, a raccoon, and I don't think it was a full-on 80-pound coyote. So this is a MagicEagle trail cam. So it's got a solar panel, which is awesome, so that way I don't have to worry about extending out a long extension cord, like 200, 500 feet or whatever the case, so that's great. Takes 5 watts of power, 360-degree rotation, impressive, 180-degree tilt. So, alright, so, it's got AI for recognition, weather information, okay, cool. Interactive map and a live view, which is cool. 2-year warranty, and this says it works out of the box. Alright, so we got more plastic wrap here. 0.3 second trigger speed, instant motion alerts, anti-theft system, which is cool. I think it's got GPS tracking so you can see where it's at. If it walks off, you know where you can find it. I did see an app on the mobile store, so that probably plays a big part in that. Oh, this is nice. This has got like a felt feel to it. It's a premium quality there. That sucker's thick. Got camouflage. Oh, looks like it's got I could put an antenna here. So, I mean, I'll see what I can do on the Wi-Fi. If it's gonna reach the chicken run, or at least where I usually put the chicks, it's probably right on the outskirts. So, we got some mounting. This is sturdy. So, I definitely have an oak tree I can put this sucker on. Alright, so alright, so I'll loop it through that. Alright, and the device to open it up for, I'm assuming, a SIM card. Please activate the power supply first. And even the antenna is camouflaged. So, it's funny. Alright. Let's mount another strap. Got some screws. There's the solar panel. Okay. And then the all-important manual. We also got stickers. We can warn that it's protected with GPS anti-theft. Alright, so yeah, we can put all kinds of warnings on there. I'm going to have to read through this to get it, whatever, activated. It says SIM cards are optional from what I saw on the Amazon listing. That's got an SD card. I think it's 32 gigs if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 32 gigs. Type C. Alright. Looks pretty weather resistant. Alright, well, I got some reading to do. Obviously I gotta mount this thing, put it through its paces. So stay tuned for our written review. Thank you for watching the unboxing. God bless.